All right guys, today we're going to do a Evolution Racewerks midpipe on the S58 for the X3Ms. Pretty simple install. We'll walk you through how to do that. Well, let's get started. So we've already got the pipe out, raised it up, measured it. We marked with a Sharpie where we're going to have to cut it. So we'll cut here and here on both sides. It will retain using the stock muffler. And so it will be an attachment with slip-on clamps from this point all the way up to the downpipe. The center brace so that this will clear it. We was going to try it without it because it's a lot of bolts up in here because this brace is actually a lot bigger than it looks, but it's not going to clear. There you go. Gives you an idea.